Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. It looks like they got some kind of accident over there. Let's try to use the zoom. Let's try to use the zoom in action and see what happened. It looks like somebody was going across around that corner too fast. So there's one zoom. And I just gotta wait for the traffic to stop in front of me so I can give it a good zoom here. What happened? Oh, look at that. A truck is on its side. So the tow truck company has to flip it over. So somebody went around that corner too fast. Wow. Well, there you go. If you're driving a big rig, slow down. Wow, okay, let's back that camera out. And that's where it's at. And this is where I'm at. So, all right, my view's getting blocked. As always. Let's see. I want to thank you again for coming along with me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Trying to drive and film is not good. All right. You know the drill. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz. Bye-bye, everybody. Postscript. How does somebody be able to live right off the Bay Bridge? I don't know. That's a nice little spot, isn't it? $1 million view right here at the Bay Bridge. Pretty nice.